Hi, we learn formula, and in that we learn how to add and how to subtract. Now let's learn how to multiply and how to divide in calculations using formula in Excel. So, for an example, if we want to multiply 2500 by 2, so which formula will be useful for that? So let's say double the income, and here we are learning multiplication using the formula to multiply. So double the income is given in B10 cell, and we want to get the answer here. So let's put the cursor where we want to get answer. Equal sign to start the formula, and income, that's B10. For multiplication, you can use star sign from keyboard. So find out star sign, press shift with that star so that you will find it. Otherwise you will find 8. So press shift key and that star key together. B10 multiply by 2, double the income. So that's it. And here is once you enter the formula, press enter and you will find 2500 multiplied by 2, so the answer is 5000. Similarly for here, double the income, equal sign, 2500, just go to that cell and click once and that pop-ups here C10, multiply, star sign and by 2, so that comes up the answer. So always formula bar shows which formula have you used. Okay, if we come, okay, sometimes you will find this is difficult and sometimes it's tricky. So what you can do, put the cursor somewhere else or just use backspace and remove that, and then you can do undo, so that brings up the data back. Because whenever you enter the formula, sometimes it's tricky to come out of that cell address. So you can use you can just use backspace or remove the formula from here, and then you will get rid of that irritating or tricky thing, right? Okay, I'll use again formula, and just to repeat the steps, multiply by 2, and here I got my answer. Now half the savings, that means we are going to use division, how to use formula to divide that half the savings. So where is our savings? That's here, 510 monthly savings. So just bring the cursor there, click once, and from keyboard use slash. That is division, sign of division here, and then divide by 2. So that will half the savings, right? So this is our formula, equal sign B11 divided by 2 slash. Okay, so that's the half the savings, 25. And if the same formula you are going to use in a next cell, so you can put the cursor here and you see that black plus sign, just left click and press it, drag it to the right, and it repeats the formula for the next column. So that's a tip only, but it's not necessary to go deep into that because it's not the basic learning of Excel. So just use simple the formula, enter the formula, and then it will help you out. See, again this happens, so what I'll do, I'll just use backspace, I'll undo, and then that gives me my data back. Alright, so that's all about formula, and even you can find maximum and minimum of this amount. Select that, use some shortcuts here. So max, so that shows the highest amount in this cell. Here if we want to find minimum, so it shows select minimum and it shows what is the minimum amount that we have entered here. So that's the 70. This is the max. And here you will see the formula that pop-ups, right? And then here minimum, and here you will see the formula that pop-ups. Next, use backspace, use undo, and then your data is recovered. So that's all for formula, and we'll learn more in our next lesson. I know formula is bit hard and bit tricky, so it will take your time. So be patient with yourself and learn it easily. Alright, see you in the next lesson.